Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hulu application subtitles out of sync issues. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to watch a show on the Hulu application, but you notice that the subtitles are not syncing up with the actual audio from the show, then there are a few ways that you can go about on fixing this issue. The first thing that might cause this issue is that your application is not updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for the Hulu application. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on this button and wait for a little while until you see the open button once again. Now, after you see it, open up and see if the application is now working as it is supposed to. If the subtitle still doesn't sync up with the audio, then long press on the Hulu application and tap on the info button. From the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first, and then the OK button to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner and then see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then tap on clear data as well, and then tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data from the Hulu app. After this step is completed, when you open up the Hulu application, you will be asked to log into your account once again. But after logging in, you will see that now your application issues have been fixed and now your subtitles will be in sync with the audio. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.